I gave up on my artistic dreams several years ago. And to be honest, I have convinced myself that it was unrealistic. And I always thought that I needed to be practical. And by practical, I mean that I had to get a stable job because artistic career is not so stable. So today I am starting over. That was my life right now. I am 24 and I work as a full-time corporate employee, like 9 to 5, but maybe it can be more than 8 hours or 6 if I'm being honest. I do data analysis, but that doesn't even matter right now. I want to do the real talk. But there is a feeling that I can't shake. It's all fine, nothing is wrong, but I have something that is screaming in the back of my mind that you are not that person. You used to be so creative, you used to be so artistic. How are you going on and off relationship with your screen? And by screen, I'm talking about laptop. So I made my decision. Hold on, I am not quitting my job. I can't afford to. But I am also not giving on my dreams. This is my dream. Like literally, when I was a kid, I dream about being an artist. And you know, by 2021, it feels impossible. So I'm here now. Also, I need to be honest with you. This isn't my first time to be an artist. Like I try a lot. And by a lot means a lot. Really. Whenever I get time, I always pull out my pencil and sketch pens and I start drawing. But the time I get out of my job and out of everything is in about 6 months to 1 year. And let me show you something that I have created. You can see this painting right behind me. I have created a few days ago and it gives me a lot of joy by creating this basic painting. Like it is not that big of a deal, but this was very fun to paint this. And let me show you my collections, my drawing books, so that we can set a bar that I am not that bad artist. I just wanted a little practice. So I have made this a few days ago. You can refer to my video, like I have uploaded it several days ago, and it turns out to be pretty good. And I was happy with the result. Next thing that I'm gonna show you is I used to draw a lot and I have a little connection with me that I'm gonna show you. A little notebook tour of myself. It was not good, but it gave me a joy. So there is this one painting. It was not good, but I guess I have done pretty great work with colors. Next is the sketch or graphite drawing that I am really proud of. I have uploaded this drawing many times on my Instagram. Oh, by the way, I am on Instagram as well. You can follow me. I'll give the link in the description. So this was my drawing. It was around maybe 3 to 4 years ago, and it was so good. And I loved this painting. Like it gave me so much of nostalgia by only looking at it. It was such a beautiful days when I used to paint. I have created this oil pastel drawing and it gave such a rainy vibe and it instantly calms you. Really. So I wanted to get in that zone again and I am ready for all of the challenges that I'll face in this journey. And you will see those challenges because I'll upload each and every day video with you. You'll get a lot of tea or interesting content over here. So hit the subscribe button. So this was the first time that I started oil pastel, oil paint, my bad. So I started oil paint. This was the first painting that I have painted back in around 2020 in the COVID. I have a lot of free time back then. And this was very beautiful drawing that I've created. Then I move on to my sketchbook. I have basic drawings as well. Not so great, but not very proud of. But yeah, these are some of the. Let me give you a closer look of my notebook. Let me change the angle. So next we move on. This is the time when I really wanted to draw hyper realistic drawing and I was learning, but it turns out that you need a special paper for it, and back then I didn't have that much money to buy those papers, so I have just created on this paper, and which turns out to be as a disaster. You can see that, like really. So I have started learning mandala art and this is what I created. And to be honest, mandala is so tiring to do. Hats off to mandala artists who create every day because this requires a lot of patience. Like this drawing took me around 2 to 3 hours to complete this as I was a beginner. Don't judge me, guys. Next, if we move on, then that is, it is a portrait. I guess it was a competition of Mahashivratri that I have took a part in it, and then I have created this. I know the colors are not so good, but at least I have tried in each one of these drawings, and this is what I'm gonna do now onwards. Next, if we Next, I have this Mother Nature. Again, mandala art practice. I'll show you 3 more. One of my favorite is there it is. Yes, one of my favorite mandala art is this. This is a drawing of Meera and this one is Krishna. I know hands are not actually, but this is the time when I was learning. This is the oil pastel painting. Oil pastel, why I am saying oil pastel? It is an oil paint base. all paint that I have created, painting that I have created, that these sketches have stories behind it. Like, I used to draw in my engineering drawing classes. I don't study, I used to draw things, and these drawings were from back then. This was the COVID time. I used to draw a lot in COVID. I'll show you how I have improved my drawing as well in the COVID time. Let me show you some of the glimpse of my drawing that I have created in the. So that was a hell of a paintings and drawings that I have created. So this is my place where I'm gonna create, and you will see me more often here in this channel. And if you want to see how I set it up this place, then there is this video that you can check out and see how I have made my room aesthetic, because mood changes everything. Like, if you set up something really good and clean around you, which gives you a good energy, then you are more productive than you were before. This is my first painting after a long time. Oh my god. So this is my first painting after a long time. And my lines are shaky and it is not so perfect because I know I am really rusty right now. And you know what? Practice makes perfect. And this is what we're gonna do. I don't know where this journey is going to take me and where I'm gonna go by following this journey, but I know one thing for sure, that I'll be good enough to sell my art one day, and there will be someone who will care about my art, even though I don't have that much crowd on the YouTube right now. I know very few people are watching me right now, but slowly and gradually I'll do this, I'll achieve this. I have manifested it, and I know the power of manifestation. It will gonna work out. You know what is the most fun part about it? I'm gonna document each and everything about this journey so that we can track our progress. Really, it's gonna be fun. It sounds so exciting in my head. And if it turns out to be great in the future, then I'll come back to this video and see how much I have grown in past maybe months, maybe years. And if you are watching this and you probably think that you are too old or not talented enough, then you can join me in this journey and we're gonna grow together. Maybe we can prove that like it's never too late and you can start whenever you want, like really at any age, at any time. It's just all in here. Really. So if you relate to this video and want to join me in this journey and want to support me a little bit, and if you think that I am worth watching, so you can subscribe to this channel. I'll document all this journey and it will be yours too. And you will enjoy it, like really. See you in the next one. Bye bye.